Hey, sup YouTubers, so what had happened was, they had quit, because it was 40-17, okay? So they had quit, and, guy put in his mic that I was facing, he put in his mic and he started saying, "What the fuck? I cannot believe this shit is fucking happening. I'm a good football player, damn it." Then you hear him throw his mic down. No, you hear him throw his controller down. That was the funniest thing. Oh my god. I wish I could record it, but my battery had died. So, yeah, it was pretty cool. So be sure to subscribe and like this video, like every video. I'll be posting out more football, zombie, and multiplayer videos. So, peace out.